Now, we start off with a song that might possibly be the best song of 2018 so far. I'm not exaggerating, and I'm not a Lil Wayne dick rider. I'm telling you, this could possibly be the best song of 2018 so far of the year. And I'm telling you, I'm doing a top 100 songs of January 2018, and this has to be number fucking one. This song is amazing, and I am not a Lil Wayne dick rider. I personally hated his Dedication 6 comeback album, mixtape, whatever the fuck you want to call it. And I personally disliked it, and I thought it was trash. But I'm telling you, this new single by Lil Wayne, fucking ingenious. Now, I'm just going to play the audio, and I want you to listen to this. Listen to this genius on the mic. All right, the beat is pretty basic for some of the most complex things that he says. Complex rhythmically and rhyme-wise, but you're going to flip out when you hear this.
Yeah, keep that shit on Twitter. Y'all ain't lit, y'all litter. Keep that shit in your shitter. Or eat that shit, don't spit up.
All right. I have to say this. When I first heard this line, I thought it was pretty trash, but I can appreciate it for the rhyme scheme.
Keep my bad bitch dead up. Keep my main bitch put up. Watching me do push-ups. She was playing with herself and I looked up. Damn, you thought I need to get her look up. You plotting on me, my foot up. Your squad ain't hard, that's cushion. That ain't sauce, that's pudding. Don't you cross her bosom, damn. Shooting up the jurors, damn. Don't name my pistol, I name the trigger. Benjamin Button, push him, bam. Y'all just pussy, get buried together.
Alright, I like these fucking ad-libs. I really like these ad-libs, to keep it 100 with you.
Then let them play footsie, y'all just wussy. I got some bullets, gon' pull up in hoodies to come take a look-see. Better play hooky, I got...
Okay, how can bullets pull up in hoodies? That's pretty odd, but that's like me saying my grenade will pull up in a fucking suit. Like, man.
Some hookers hooking up with politicians and some athletes and some college niggas and your misses on all kind of missions. I'm the sickest nigga skipping doctor visits, but my pots is pissy, smoking hockey sticky, put a stocking on my face and hit a licking. When the shit get ugly, I go pretty Ricky. I don't fuck with rats, neither mini Mickey. I don't.
This guy said, fuck with rats, neither Min or Mickey. Okay, even though they're mouses, I get what he's saying. That was lit.
Fuck with cops, that's the Piggly Wiggly. Fuck my bitches friends and they friendly. Why your bitch giving me her 2020 like she tired of Mickey D's, Wendy's, Denny's, like she tired of Macy's, JC Penney's. I got bitches getting tired of spin it. If we win it. I know dream chasers that ain't never dreamt it, so I had to.
Alright, so I like this reference, the whole Free Meek reference. Like, that was lit also.
Then I had to rim it, and I worked the lanes like Shaq and Penny. It's the blood gang, it's the money gang. Red racks, the riches need happy endings. Then it's back to business, and we laugh at sentencing. Hungry lawyers make us knock out witnesses. Hungry artists are starving artists in the kitchen, restaurant, and cafeterias. Don't make a difference if you taste the difference. Better pay the difference to the racketeers. Now your good luck looking like you cracking mirrors, not a...
Now, I just like to say, he sounds like hungry old Wayne who did like the 10,000 bars Wayne. I'm talking, this is lit right here. Like this right here is just amazing, man.
Artificial become sacrificial, that's a body count. Where the mathematician, where the wettest clitoris and fattest nipples, with a ass that jiggle, with a grab a tickle, when a throw deep enough to land a missile. If your nigga miss you when he have opinions, tell him 2 cents is only half a nickel. Now he at his villa, aiming at his pillows, hair triggers, fingers finna act like bristles, in a catch a triple flip, kick jujitsu, throwing pool parties. She don't have a swimsuit, neither of her friends do. I think that's official. Got my neighbor's eyes bigger than the Simpsons, and I'm man is simple.
All right, this man right here. Bigger than the senses. For some reason, I thought he said the Simpsons. I was like, what the hell? Good thing. Thank God we have Rap Genius. But this guy, he's spitting fire, flames. He's not taking a breath. He seems like he did this on one take. This is just amazing, man.
So I had to pimp her and she had potential, but he lacked credentials. So give me a sec, I go at your neck and see you back looking like the Dracula bitch you are. Yeah, cannibalism going animalistic in the land of civilians. These niggas clones, copycats, and chameleons. Once they dead and gone, no paraphernalia. When she left her thong, that's paraphernalia.
All right, that's paraphernalia. Lil Wayne has a supreme vocabulary that all inspires me. And this is the shit I like. I don't like him doing all these bad hooks. I just like Lil Wayne, spitter Lil Wayne, who can just rhythmically just rhyme to the best of them. This is Lil Wayne's Chlorophyll remix. Like Eminem's Chlorophyll remix where he come back on the track and just murdered it. This is Lil Wayne. Like, this is it.
I'm familiar, my plug Sicilian. He the one who told me that sometimes you gotta leave your life familiar. Behind the millions, I'm a reason, I'm the reason. Got their eyes wide but too blind to see it. With friends like those, it made me text all my enemies and tell them I don't need them. Hallelujah, power intruders. Bitch walk around my house like Hooters. Power user. Molly mix a white girl, Molly Susan. Niggas talking out their bowel movers. Turn their homies into flower choosers. Turn your kids into father choosers. Make your bitch a widow and your mama cougar. I'm a silent shooter.
Make your bitch a widow and your mom a cougar. Because you get it? Wait, hold on. A bitch is a female dog. But still, they're still animals. You can connect with them. Like I thought that was a very hot line right there. Just flames, man.
With a silent shooter, clap at you if you don't die, boo you. Tell a doctor's trying to save your life and running wires through you. He could die next to you.
Whoa. Who the hell says that? Shit. All right, I'm sorry. I knocked off my, I kind of knocked off this page. But one thing I like to point out is that the Big Bad Wolf could also be representative of Wolfgang, since he has a good relationship with Tyler, the Creator.
Giant scooter, let her partner shoot it. We put out the movie, win awards. She got a Golden Globe head and an Oscar booty. Niggas prostituting, these rappers ain't talking.
She got a Golden Globe head and an Oscar booty. Yeah, I mean, I love the wordplay here. This is amazing.
About shit, not even about pollution. Ain't got a house to live in, ain't got a pool to swim in, changing their pockets, no a couch to lose it. And route to Houston with the contribution for the monster juices. Monster too slow, macho cucho, macho mucho, big bad wolf, watch the moon glow. I got a Greek freak, she call me Antetokounmpo, just follow the Kupo.
Wait, Antetokounmpo? What the fuck? Okay, so a giant Antetokounmpo is the nickname of a Greek freak for his family. Interesting. Wow. So I see somebody been studying Greek mythology and just in the Western mythos. That's pretty nice, man.
I know that you know I'm hotter than soup. She still swallow my soup bowl. I'm out of my loophole. You out of the loop though. Got all these niggas on silent and mute mode. The power to do so. My pockets is sumo. Getting the moolah. Bada Minuto. Mafia Nuvo. I am the Uno. Real boss nigga. Shimada for Hugo. Fuck with me. I go Lollapalooza. Pull up trigger finger hollering Pulo. Sound like.
Just check out the mastery. Like, this is a crafter of words in its highest respect. This guy did a freestyle that's 4 minutes with no hook or nothing. This could be the next DNA.
A symphony of opera-tudo, hitting some new notes, and I am the maestro, and you just a typo. Private flight though, flying too low. I'm wiser than you know, a private school flow. I got me a new hoe when I was a duo. One went to college and one went to JUCO. I had to ask him what's 4 plus 2 though.
What's 4 plus 2 though? 6? Okay, that ending was a little iffy. What's 4 plus 2 though? 6? Love? To be honest, no other rapper has much longevity. Nice. But some people is calling this a diss to Birdman. I don't think so. Alright, so I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna check the comments and then just bounce. This This is a great song, I have to say. And I'm not really one of those average Lil Wayne dick riders or nothing, but this is an amazing song. God damn, well. But yeah, I'm checking this out. And I knew dream casers that never dreamed. Woo, flames. Yeah, I love the Meek Mills reference. Yet again, for everyone that said Lil Wayne only rapped about drugs, he only said one thing drug related. Yes, tell you the truth. Woo! Damn. Yeah. Lil Wayne is no joke. Of course, there's the whole, the best part of the song was the whole damn song. That got fucking less clever and clever every time you use it, bruh. Is it true? Is it true rap god? I would say that Eminem, but as I was saying again, this is Lil Wayne's Chlorophyll remix. If we're making an Eminem reference, but I have to say Eminem is a sheep because of that last well, both of their comeback albums are pretty bad to me, so I wouldn't really say that. But hey, but yeah, this was an amazing song, probably the best song of 2018 for January. Just, I love it, and I love the whole vibe of the song. It's amazing, and all I have is respect for this song. Now, I want y'all to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, everything you need to do, and I'm adios. Audi 5000, guys. Peace.